Thank you. $15, $10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 4 left, 6 right long, open hairpin left, deceptive, long. Open hairpin left, deceptive. 5 right, long. Plus 5 right, long. 200. Small crest. 5 right, long. 100. Caution, 1 right long, trees are close. $400, small crests. Left, half long, opens. 100. 2 left, plus 6 right. 6 right, small crest. 1 right through posts. Through posts. Next. Small crest, 40. 6 left. Very slippy, 200 over dip. Go on. 5 right long, 200, caution through posts mid. Caution through posts mid. Oh, that wasn't in the notes. 6 right, left small crest. Don't cut, 5 left. Small crest long. 6 left. 150 down. Caution, double caution, 4 left, 3 right. 1 right, 2 left. 100, mid, crest bump. 6 right long. 6 right long. 4 right.
Quicker.
4 right. 6 left tightens. Into 4 left. 3 right. For this. That's a hairpin. Sorry, I'm miles behind. Mid over bump. Crossroads. Don't cut, 5 left. 200. Crest long. 60 down. Caution, logs, don't cut, 5 left long. Logs, don't cut. 6 right, opens into small crest. 6 right. 6 left. Crest bump plus down. 5 left, 150. 5 left long plus 6 right. 6 right over small crest. Caution, 6 left slowing into 1 right. 2 left slippy, 6 left. 5 left, continues over small crest, up the middle, 200, 6 right plus, 170, 6 right long over small crest, plus caution, 2 right. Continues for 400, past junction. 5 left plus long. 6 right long. Caution, 5 right past junction, mid crest bump. Past the junction, go on, keep your foot in. Mid crest bump, 300 down. 300 down. Caution, 4 left. Plus continues. Double caution, very slippy, 1 right. 1 left even, sorry. 5 left, plus long. 6 left. Small crest. 60 down, 5 long. Slowing. Into open hairpin plus hairpin right plus long.
Here we go.
Hairpin right plus long. Open. So take it wide.
Oh no!
Two right plus 4 left. Four left, turns 5 right. Over bump. 5 right long. Caution, tight, 2 left, dash and mud. 4 right, half long, don't cut. 200, danger, 6 right, through the gates. It's very sudden and then it comes onto an acute left hairpin. Triple caution, very tight hairpin right, hairpin left, round bails. Four right, into 6 long, 6 left long. Plus right over small crest. 150 down the middle. Caution, slowing 6 left into 1 left.
Something's gone wrong. It's all loose.
3 right, that's it. 1 left. 4 right. Left, small crest. 5 left, half long. 5 5 left, half long. 200, 5 right plus. 100. Caution, 4 left, slowing into 5 right, half long. Sudden, square left. 5 right, half long, square left. Tight 2 left, plus 5 left. Caution, 3 right, long, into hairpin left. 6 left. 100, 6 left. Over small crest. 6 right, continues for 250. 6 right, continues into 5 right, continues, caution, sudden, hairpin right.
Something wrong with this, I've got a flat. Every time I turn to the right, I'm losing the back end.
Got you. Okay, do you want to pull over and we'll sort it.
How long's that?
Where are we? 200. Turn square left. Over bump. Shitty 3 right. 6 right continues. Very slippy 230. Over crest into 6 left. 6 left. 300 over dip. 5 left continues. 5 left continues. Into 4 left continues. Tight 3 right. Caution, rough, 1 left, half long. 4 left. Turn hairpin right. One right. After 200, 1 right. 4 right. 4 left. 4 right, over crest. 2 left. 2 left. 6 right. 4 left. Caution, right through crest, slippy, into 6 left. Caution, right, crest, 6 left. 350, dip. 4 right. 6 right. 3 left. Turn 1 left. 1 left. Square right. 5 left long. 6 right. 6 right. long, 6 right. Caution, logs ahead, 130. It's
Result.
3 left, half long. 4 right. 3 left, plus long, finish. $170, 5 right, long, and then stop. Fucking hell.
The car then, that bit.
Yeah.
Now.
That one was awesome. Fucking potholy as shit though. Jesus. Bloody hell.
Bloody hell. 175 is. That's what the previous car number is. 175. Yeah, anyway, 595.
How are we the previous car to ourselves?
Don't ask, but that's how it's sitting there. Did you get out, walk behind it, and come back in again?
Must have done. Cheers, guys. Right.
How'd you do?
Thank you. Lovely. Thank you very much. Cheers. What?
There's a lot of these little Rovers out today for some reason. I haven't seen a lot of you guys for ever and a day. And then
They do a ZR challenge.
could be a bit like you guys like that,
Yeah.
yeah. Right, enjoy.
Cheers, pal. I can't see that, Gary.
It's alright, mate.
Three right into 2 left. Turn hairpin left. 3 right long. 80 rough inside. 3 right. Three right, rough inside. 6 right long, tightens into 5 right. Mid crest plus long, 3 right. 6 left. 6 left. 4 right, hairpin left. Very bumpy round here. Hairpin left. 4 right. Into 5 right. 3 left, half long. Four left. Caution, turn tight, hairpin right. Don't cut, 4 left. Mid, yeah, keep going, straight over. 3 right. 3 left, half long. 5 right. 5 right. 5 right long, 4 right, 4 left. 4 right, 4 left. Caution, left, small crest, turn 1 right. Five right long. 5 right plus small crest. 3 3 left, 5 left continues, 2 left, 4 right, tight, tight 3 right, 6 left, left into 5 right, keep going, it's 300, up the middle. Left into 5 right, 5 left, 4 left, 5 right.
Hey.
That was a bit close. 5 right, 3 left long, 2 left, hairpin left, hairpin left, 2 left, don't cut, 2 left, don't cut, small crest, small bump, 300 down, 6 left plus, small crest, dip, 130, care ahead. Caution, 4 right at Lone Tree, small bump dip, 5 left, it's 4 right, 5 left, small crest bump, small crest 5 right plus, small crest 5 right, into 4 right, 5 right, into 4 right, and then 5 right into 4 right again, and then 4 left, 4 right into 4 left, and then 4 right past junction, so 4 left, then 4 right, 4 right, 4 right, 6 right over small crest, 4 left continues, 4 left continues, 2 left half long, don't cut, 4 right half long, don't cut, 4 right half long, 4 left, 4 right, chicane, miles behind, warning, turn 2 left, 2 right, round the island, it's a spectator bit, it's very tight apparently. So we're going 2 left, then 1 right, then 4 left. So we're not doing what they did last year. Two left, into 1 right, and then we're going left. Yeah. Then we're going 2 left, into 6 left, and 5 right, so 6 left, then 5 right, 5 right, small crest long, down, then into 4 right. Watch out for the chicane, we're going round it on the right. Kind of in the strike anyway. Whoa! 300, then we're going 6 right, then we're going 6 right again, 6 right again, and then 6 left. There's caution, 6 right, half long. 2 left. 6 right, half long, it's 2 left. Oh, weird finish. Wow. Those notes were pretty pants. I didn't see any of the corners that he was telling you about.
I was going too fast for you, kid.
You were?
Stone the crows, that was good.
That was quick.
There's a couple of scaries.
I wasn't off.
Kidding!
How are we doing?
Good day? Chilled. You got the best job.
Thank you. Thank you. We've been telling you that for hours.
The Hobbit. The Hobbit.
The Hobbit. He's enjoying himself, that's what it is.
Thank you.
Cheers, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Right. Get your book. Do you want to have a look? Anything?
Nah, it feels good.
Feels good.
Still skitty on that stage. Going left, I take it.
I'm gonna say yeah. And then we're going right. Right, let's get the helmets off and stuff.